Crash Course on South Korean Society and Politics, an exploration of the social and political issues facing South Korea, including its relationship with North Korea and its role in the global community. South Korea is a country with a rich history, vibrant culture, and complex social and political issues. In this crash course, we'll take a closer look at some of the most pressing social and political issues facing South Korea today, including its relationship with North Korea and its place in the global community. Social issues in South Korea. Gender inequality. Despite significant progress in recent years, gender inequality remains a significant issue in South Korea. Women continue to face discrimination in the workplace, and the country has one of the highest gender pay gaps in the developed world. Aging population. South Korea is facing a rapidly aging population, with one of the lowest birth rates in the world. This has significant implications for the country's workforce, economy, and social structure. Mental health. Mental health issues are a growing concern in South Korea, with high rates of depression, suicide, and social isolation among both young and old. Education pressure. South Korea's education system is famously rigorous and competitive, leading to high levels of stress and pressure among students. LGBT rights. While attitudes towards the LGBT community are slowly changing in South Korea, discrimination and stigma still exist, and same-sex marriage is not yet legal. Income inequality. South Korea has one of the highest levels of income inequality among developed countries, with significant disparities between the rich and poor. Human rights. Despite significant progress in recent years, human rights remain a concern in South Korea, particularly with regards to freedom of expression and assembly. Political issues in South Korea. North Korea. The relationship between North and South Korea remains one of the most pressing political issues facing the country, with ongoing tensions and occasional military clashes. Corruption. Corruption remains a significant issue in South Korean politics, with high-profile scandals involving top officials in recent years. Democratic freedoms. While South Korea is a democratic country, some have expressed concerns about the state of democracy in the country, particularly with regards to press freedom and the independence of the judiciary. Regional relations. South Korea's relationships with neighboring countries, including Japan and China, are complex and often contentious, with disputes over historical issues, territorial claims, and economic competition. Environmental issues. South Korea faces significant environmental challenges, including air pollution, water pollution, and climate change. Military alliances. South Korea has close military alliances with the United States and other countries, but some have called for greater independence in the country's defense strategy. Economic growth. While South Korea has experienced significant economic growth in recent decades, there are concerns about the sustainability of this growth and the impact it is having on the environment and social inequality. With these social and political issues in mind, it is important for South Korea to continue working towards progress and finding solutions to the challenges facing its society and politics. Poem. South Korea, a land of vibrant culture and history, where beauty meets technology and innovation aplenty. But behind the dazzling facade, there are issues to see. Challenges that test the country's resilience and ingenuity. From gender inequality to an aging population, to mental health and education pressure as an obsession. LGBT rights, income inequality, human rights protection. These social issues pose a threat to the nation's progression. In politics, the relationship with North Korea is complex. And corruption, democratic freedoms, and regional tensions vex. Environmental issues and military alliances to address. And economic growth to balance with societal progress. As the country moves forward, may it continue to strive to find solutions to these challenges and keep hope alive. For South Korea, with all its strengths and weaknesses, is a nation that deserves respect and admiration, no less. Song. Verse 1. A land of great complexity, with social and political variety. South Korea's society, we see, faces challenges with much diversity. Chorus. South Korea, oh South Korea, a nation standing strong and free, from politics to culture and more. Your story inspires us endlessly. Verse 2. The North-South divide, a conflict still to be resolved. But South Korea strives for peace, a problem to be solved. Chorus. South Korea, oh South Korea, a nation standing strong and free, from politics to culture and more. Your story inspires us endlessly. Verse 3. From K-pop to technology, South Korea's global impact we see. A nation constantly evolving. Innovation and progress are revolving. Chorus. South Korea, oh South Korea. A nation standing strong and free. From politics to culture and more. Your story inspires us endlessly. Verse 4. With education, a top priority. STEM fields hold great authority. And universities leading the way. Preparing students for a brighter day. Chorus. South Korea, oh South Korea. A nation standing strong and free. From politics to culture and more. Your story inspires us endlessly. Verse 5. As a nation with a rich history. South Korea's beauty and diversity. From bustling cities to serene countryside. A traveler's dream, a place to abide. Chorus. South Korea, oh South Korea. A nation standing strong and free. From politics to culture and more. Your story inspires us endlessly. Outro. South Korea, a land of wonder. Your culture, your history, your people. We stand in awe of all you offer. Forever inspiring, South Korea. *****. We hope this video has given you a taste of all the incredible experiences South Korea has to offer. If you're ready to start planning your own adventure to South Korea, please ensure to use our booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?8 = 7989335 to book your flights, hotels, car rentals, local attractions, and more. It's an easy and kind way to support this channel and make sure you get the best possible deals on your trip. Thank you. Anhub Metaverse Team.